Your back's made of muscles, ligaments, and nerves. Tiny cells working hard, they all deserve. Blood brings oxygen, food and life, keep it flowing, keep it right. But when you sit too long or stay too still, your blood slows down and the cells fall ill. They can't breathe, they can't survive. You're strangling your back, keep it alive. Move, move, let the blood flow through. Stretch a little, that's all you need to do. Movement is healing, movement is strength. It keeps your back alive at any length. That movement is life support for your back. When you sit at a desk or watch TV, your back cells whisper, please set us free, set us free. Stand up, twist, or reach to the side. Let that healing blood inside. Medicine can calm the pain you feel. Rest can help, but won't truly heal. Only movement feeds your spine. A little motion every time. Move, move, let the blood flow through. Stretch a little, that's all you need to do. Movement is healing, movement is strength. It keeps your back alive at any length. Yeah, movement is life support for your back. Every 20 minutes, just stand or bend. Even 30 seconds, your back's best friend. No medicine, no drugs, just you and your will. Move your body, don't stay still. Move, move, feel your body renew. Let your cells breathe, that's all they ask you to do. Movement is free, free and free. $millions medicine, deep and true. Movement is life for me and for you. Movement is not optional. It's life support for your back.